Can I buy a house without filing tax returns as an immigrant? Well, that's a question that I get every day. Hi, my name is Leah Nascimento. I am your real estate agent to buy a house here in Metro Atlanta, and I specialize in helping immigrants like you. So please like this video, share it, save it for later so you can come back, watch it again because there's lots and lots of good information. So let's answer your question. Do you have to file a tax return in order to buy your house? Well, that is going to depend on a few things, such as your immigration status, whether or not you have a work visa, and what type of work you do. So let's go for the three major things. The major one is you have a work visa or you have a green card, something like that, and you have a full-time job with a fixed salary. So you're not hourly, you're not contracting, you have a fixed salary. In that case, you may be able to buy the house without a filing tax. So if you just got transferred from another country to work in the US, or if you have been here for a while but you just transferred into a new position, maybe you're making more money in the same position, just new company, you may not need to provide a new tax return, your W-2, your offer letter, and sometimes even less than that in case of students. So make sure that you're talking to a professional to see where you fall into that. And if you haven't done already, please like this video, share it, save it so you can come back to it later. And if you need a professional to help you navigate all of this, do contact me. My name is Leah Nascimento. I'm your favorite Atlanta realtor, and I specialize in helping immigrants like you and me to find your new home or sell the one you already have and upgrade. It depends on what you want. All right. So let's go. The other type of immigrants are the people with tax IDs. So those people that don't quite have a work permit, but they have a tax ID number. For them, if they don't want to file the tax return, well, they should file tax return, it's the law, but they don't need necessarily the tax return to buy the house. They can use other means such as an accountant P&L to buy the house, and that includes financing, okay? That will need a little bit more of a down payment, usually 20% plus, and a little more higher interest rate. And that will depend on credit scores and other factors. Same thing for those people who do have a work permit, a green card, or are citizens, but don't want to use their tax returns to buy the house. They can buy it without, but they also need a little higher little higher down payment, higher interest rates. All right. If you work, and then the third category, of course, if you work for yourself, either as a 1099, doing contract service to other businesses, or you own a business and you have a K-1 schedule and you want to buy your house, but you want to do the lowest interest rate possible, the lowest down payment possible, then in that case, you do need to have your tax returns. Probably 2 years at least, unless you have very good credit and have been in business for more than 5 years and can verify that. And then in that case, you might be able to buy with just 1 year. So as you can see, there's plenty of options for everyone out there. So if you're an immigrant in the US, you're here in Metro Atlanta and you want a great real estate agent who understands where you're coming from, do get in contact today. My phone number is 678-809-9319. I'll leave everything here on the description. There is a link to my calendar. You can book a consultation directly on it, or you can go ahead and give me a call. My phone number is also WhatsApp, and we can help you achieve your American dream. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of our tribe. Let's put in our roots into this country that has received us with open arms and change our family's tree. Bye-bye.